Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can sign up for Bank of America. So let's jump right in. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to the official website, bankofamerica.com. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner and click on the Sign In or Log In button. If you already have an online account, you can go ahead and log in. But since we're setting up a new account, click on the Enroll link just below the login fields. You'll now be redirected to the enrollment page. Here, you'll need to enter your Bank of America debit card or account number, just the last 6 digits, and then provide your social security number or tax identification number for identity verification. Once you've entered your details, click Continue. The system will now guide you through a few more steps where you'll be asked to provide some personal information, set up your online ID and password, and choose security questions for added protection. Follow all the on-screen prompts carefully. After completing the form and submitting it, your account will be processed, and in most cases, your online banking profile will be ready instantly. In some cases, it might take 1-2 business days for verification.